What's up guys, Matt here, and in this video I'm going to be reviewing and kind of showing you how this works of this 10-pack of solderless LED strip clips, as well as the 4-pin cable. And this is the retro version of the cable. So without further ado, let's get right to it. So first of all, I'll just show you everything included in here. We have our 4-pin cable. Here is what it looks like. We've got black for power, and then green, red, blue. And then in the bag, we have our 10 clips and plus our tools. Here is one of the clips, and one side is for the LED strip itself, and the other side is for the cable. It comes with this little tool here. So you can use this tool for leverage to help get those open, and once they're snapped open, they kind of just lift up. There we go. And then I've got some spare LED strip as well, which is not included, but just to show you how this essentially works. So almost all LED strip is going to have these labeled here. So this one is like 12 volts, green, red, blue. So all we essentially need to do is make sure that this matches up. So 12 volts, green, red, blue, and then we will put the clip here to connect these. And also to just give you a close look of how this works, you're essentially putting in the 4 pins of the cable into these tubes, and then when you press this down, these blades are going to penetrate them and create that contact. So the blades are actually going through the cables, and then that metal connects around to the other side, which these will be penetrating the LED strip copper. So when you press it down, you want to make sure that these blades on this side are penetrating the copper, and the side with these tube-like holes for the cable is obviously the side for the cable. So that's how you can kind of differentiate which side's for the LED strip and which side's for the cable. So you can kind of separate these ends. You don't even need to splice them or anything. And then I'm going to put them in order. There we go, got it. That is super satisfying. And then you simply push down and those blades will penetrate. You do have to push really hard. And now that creates a really secure fitting that you can even tug on, and it's very secure. Then for the other side, especially if you're using waterproof LED strip, I recommend just peeling off some of that waterproof layer. So you have this flat exposed copper underside too, removing the adhesive cover that could just ruin your connection. Place that copper on there so it'll be nice and secure and build that connection. Close the clip. And you'll hear that little click where it locks in, and now we have a nice secure connection that you could tug on, and it's very secure. So it's a discreet, nice solderless solution to connecting wire to LED strip. Hopefully this shows you exactly what to expect, and I will catch you on the next one. See you guys.